Hi guys, this is Stephanie of Creative Miss Me, and I'm coming to you with my Willoughby Award unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what I received this month for my September bracelet, stick around. Okay guys, it's always packaged so wonderful. I haven't opened it yet and looked at the bracelet, but of course you know the box comes like this, and it has the tissue paper here. And then it has a little care guide book that comes with every bracelet. And then here is the bracelet here inside. So, the bracelet comes wrapped in tissue paper, as you saw. And then the bracelet comes in a little bag. Okay, this is for the month of September. It's like I received all this my birthday month already. And I love the colors because I'm into teal, and that's what the colors were for the month of August. Now, with school starting, this one here is more themed for school. Oh, excuse me, my nose is itching. For school. Now, as you see, this is beautiful. It's more for a school start back month. So, I'm going to show you this. Okay, here is the September bracelet. As always, it has September here on the end. And then, excuse my nails, I broke one really bad and I'm waiting for it to heal before I go get the other ones done. But you see the apple leaf, oh, I love these. And then this here, that's another leaf. I guess for the school season, you know, fall starting, if I can get it to turn. Then we have another flower, an apple, a red apple with green leaves. And this is cute. It's a stack of books. And then we have, I don't know why everything turned around backwards. Then we have this apple here. Another apple, beads. Another apple, a bead. Then you have this heart box. Then the flower. Another pretty leaf charm, leaf, flower, and another bead on the end. I think these bracelets come really beautiful. I love these charm bracelets. I'm almost complete with the set. I think I need October and November and my set will be complete. So guys, here is my Willoughby Award charm bracelet for the month of September. Thank you for watching my short video. And if you're not already a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please do so by clicking that subscribe button down below. Next to it, you see that bell. If you click that bell twice, guys, you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Yes, videos. And also follow me on my social media account. Guys, this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching. And you guys be blessed.